Hey everyone, it is Chakra Tuesday today, and today's chakra is the third eye chakra, or the Ajna chakra, or Ajna chakra. And this is what it looks like, is that. I don't know if you can really see that. Anyway, the color that it is associated with is indigo, and the sound that it relates to is Om. So you can use that while chanting. That is probably one of the most common chants that people are aware of. And that chakra is located between your eyebrows. And this chakra is associated with your inner knowing. And when this chakra is in balance, you have this awareness of your own spiritual aspects. You have good vision, you have good focus, you have good insight. You also have independent thought. You also just trust your own inner wisdom. You also acknowledge your own intuitive thought processes as being valid, rather than just relying on the logical thinking side of your brain. You are trusting in that inner knowing, that inner wisdom. You're trusting your own intuition. When you have a disharmonious or imbalanced third eye chakra, you might be just focusing too much on the more logical, more scientific way of life, rather than trusting the intuitive side. You might reject your intuition or look at things more from a superficial aspect or perspective, rather than looking deeper at things. You might be over rational or overthinking things. You also might be more judgmental, and you might also you just might not be able to think for yourself. The disharmonious third eye chakra is about more ego focused, more about not being able to look at things from a deeper viewpoint, or looking at things from a broader perspective. So therefore you might be rigid in your thinking. So ways to bring this chakra back into balance are eating purple foods, or carrying around crystals that are the color purple, like lapis lazuli or amethyst. You might want to engage in more daydreaming, or more in imagination or meditative type of activities. You also might want to meditate, pay attention to your dreams, write down your dreams, journal, read books that might expand your own awareness. Now let's do a quick meditation to begin to open up that third eye chakra, and just get comfortable where you won't be disturbed for 2 or 3 minutes. And close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, sighing it out. Relaxing your body, relaxing your mind, just allowing that breath to flow from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Now begin to bring your awareness to the third eye chakra between your brows. Just allow the breath to flow through that chakra. Picturing color indigo, and visualizing an indigo ball of light becoming more luminescent, more brilliant, more radiant, expanding outwards. Just allow that beautiful ball of light, of indigo light, to continue to expand and grow, opening up the third eye chakra, allowing the cosmic energy to flow through that chakra, you to bring more awareness and focus to your own intuition, to help you to trust your intuition, your own inner knowing. And just continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow through that chakra, helping it to open up, become more balanced. And let your breath just flow nice and easy. Still visualizing that indigo color. Allowing that ball of light to expand and grow. Allowing yourself to open up to your own intuition, to your own wisdom, your own inner knowing. Trusting that guidance, the higher consciousness that lives and breathes within you as you. And just continue to breathe, allowing that breath to flow, allowing that cosmic energy to flow easily and effortlessly through the eye, the third eye chakra. And now you can stay here for a little bit longer, just allowing that breath to flow, allowing that indigo light to expand and grow. Just allow yourself to bask in this light, in this knowing, listening to your own inner being. Thank you for being here. Namaste.